Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 3 minutes. So tag along and watch till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, you have to open up a blank slide. The next thing you're gonna do is go to Insert tab and Pictures and insert a high resolution image. So I'm gonna use these buildings image. Now go to aspect ratio, give it 16:9 of ratio, which is the ratio of this slide. So we'll expand it till it covers the entire slide, duplicate it. Next, we're gonna click on this freeform shape and we're gonna trace out this huge building so that we can later use it. You may have to make too many attempts because this is not really easy thing to do. So what you have to do is just click on it one time when you want to the arrow to stop at one place, and when you go to the next place the line would go in a straight line. So it is a really nice thing to trace out, and it is really easy to trace it out. We can just slowly go, and by clicking on it we can just point our marker point at which we want to stop at. From there we can just move a straight line next, and similarly we're gonna trace out these corners of this building. We're gonna move it till this lower part and then attach it from the first point. So this is how it looks right now. Select the picture, then the shape, and click on intersect and merge shape. So this is what we have right now. Next, what we're going to do is insert a freeform shape right here again by tracing this building right here, because we're going to use it as well. So it's a really easy step, and you're going to merge down both ending and the starting point. Select the image and then the building, go to merge options, click on intersect. So you may be wondering what we have. So this is what we have made. Next, we're going to insert a text box in which we're going to write our title. And so this is our title, and we're gonna change this font. The font I'm using is downfill. And next we're gonna give it glow, and I'll use white as the glow color. Now let's give it some shadow as well. I'll give it the fifth more shadow. Now let's send it, duplicate it first of all, and then add your other text box. Select both of them and send them to the back of the building. Yeah, something like this. And for the first title, let's move it behind the building as well, right here, just behind the building so that it looks really nice. We're gonna insert our subtitle and we're gonna increase its size and change its color and change its font if you want to. We're gonna give it a glow of white color as well. Increase its size while holding shift. We're gonna move it to the right side. Let's reposition this first text box, duplicate the slide, go to the first slide, and by holding shift, move the text box or either onto the right or the left side, or downwards or upwards. Select both the templates, give them more transition. So this is the final result. And if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this template for free from a link in the description below, and you can also check out our other videos to get more amazing videos like these.